So today we're here to look at the Ashland 950XL2 Dolly Wheel Scraper and go through the daily maintenance and inspection points. So to start the day, we need to look at the scraper's connection to the tractor to make sure it's secure and check the hydraulic lines for any wear or leaks. It has a cup and ball section which has a daily grease point and is serviceable every 1,000 hours. We also want to check the tyre pressures to make sure they're even and for any defects in the rim of the tyre. So all the way through the Ashland scraper has greasable pins at the pivot points, which are a daily serviceable item. As we come along the side of the scraper, we want to make sure that the guarding's in place and secure and there's no build-up of material against the hydraulic lines which are going to cause excessive wear. So in the apron opening of the scraper, we put in the mechanical lockouts for the apron and also on the lifting cylinders. This will give us safe access to the cutting edge to check condition and swap this component out as it wears. While we're inside the bowl of the scraper, we want to check that the ejector wall has a clear 10mm clearance around the wall to the shell of the body of the scraper. So at the rear of the scraper, we want to check the tyre pressures to make sure they're even across the back. The wheel nuts are done up tight, and the wheel hubs have been greased. Ashland recommends these be greased every 200 hours and full service at every 1200 hours. So at the back end of the scraper, we're checking all the fixtures are secured. This here is the ejection cylinder and with greasable pins. We'll give that a service and checking for any hydraulic oil leaks in the system. We're also going to check the frame for any stress fractures that may have occurred from this scraper being push loaded via this push block at the back. So once your daily maintenance routine and inspections are complete, we'll remove the mechanical lockouts and then we'll function test the machine. So if you identify any parts that are overworn or you need ground engaging parts for your scraper, please give us a call at Dom Distribution where we carry a full range of Ashland parts.